This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. In the Express course, this is Lesson 15, and in Course D, this is Lesson 12, and it's a challenge puzzle. I'm on Until Loops in Maze, Puzzle 9. Challenge puzzle are lessons designed to stretch your brain. Just do the best you can. Brain, zombie who wants brains. Ah, get it? No? Okay. I'm ready. All right, challenge. Avoid the chompers and help. I guess these things are chompers. Help the zombie get to the sunflower. Where's the sunflower? Okay, I know I'm going to need to use repeat because we're only supposed to use 9 blocks apparently. It wants us to use no more than 2 move forwards. This is tricky. So, I'm sure I don't want to go that way because chomper. So let's go ahead. I'm going to try to do it without repeats at first and then add them in. I'm going to want to turn right. And then I'll be facing the wall. Actually, I'm going to turn left. And then left. I guess it wouldn't have mattered. And that should turn me around. Perfect. And now what do I want to do? Well, I would want to move forward. And then turn right. And then what? Well, I would want to move forward. And we aren't supposed to use that again. But I'm just testing things out. I would want to move forward and forward. Let's see where this gets us. Okay. Now what I would want to do. Yep, I know. All right. I would want to turn right. And I often do this. When I know I need a loop, sometimes it's helpful to see it written out. And then once I get way down there, I would need a left. Let's see where this all gets us. Okay, and then... Alright. So, I'm noticing a pattern starting about here. Right? So once we turn right, up here, we're repeating ourselves. We want to turn right, we want to go however many steps, then we want to turn right, we want to go however many steps. So, instead of writing something twice, well, we can always use a loop. So what loop to use is the question. For that one, I'm going to say wall path ahead. Oh, no, because we're going to, What if we do it, let's see. I don't want to use wall path ahead because then I'll run into him. So what if we do it after I turn? Let's just see where this gets us. It's wrong still. But I turn, and now I'm going to keep going forward till I hit here. Okay, so. But how would I get there now? I could turn right. But would he get me or is he on the edge? Let's try turning right. And then I would need to move again. So let's repeat all of this until we're at the sunflower. This chomper might eat me, but we're going to test. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I can't go that way. I'm being blocked. So I guess turn left. So we're going to go all the way down here. And then we're going to turn. And the reason I let me go all the way down here is because of, we can't use another move forward. So I used path ahead, but that was my, wait. Oh, wow. Yeah, that got us there. Okay, so what's happening? Let's walk through this step by step. I turn around, right? So whoop, whoop. And then I'm going to move forward. Then I turn right. And now I start using this loop. I don't before because I don't want to run into this guy. So I hit my repeat. Now, hey computer, do all of this till I'm at the sunflower. All right, so now I'm gonna, okay, first thing you do is move forward while there's a path ahead. So every time I move forward, you'll see the little radar check. I check if there's still a path. If there's a path, then it drops into this and it runs the code inside, move forward. And then it hits the bottom and repeats it and checks again. It keeps checking until it's false, until it says no path ahead. We don't run this, then we go down here and turn left, which is the next line. Once we turn left, we hit the bottom of this repeat until, Now we're like, are we at the sunflower yet? No? Well, if no, right, so now it's going to hit the bottom. Now we're going to turn left. Now it checks if we're at the sunflower. False, we're not. So we start doing this again. Check, move forward. And that's how we get there. There's more than one way, I'm sure, because we can also use our if statement to check. And I'm going to try that in just a sec. Awesome. Let's keep going.